Hello. Okay, so you want to do some work on your bike, lift the back wheel up, take the back wheel off, just clean it, whatever. What do? You just put it on the centre stand. And away you go, nice and easy. But what if you don't have a centre stand? Okay, so here's my Ducati Multistrada, no centre stand. This is where the Abba Stand comes in. Now the first time I've used this, it was a little bit daunting. Wasn't so sure to know how steady it would be, if I've done it right. If the bike going to fall, it's going to be okay, but it's rock solid, really secure. I'll show you how to do it now. So this little attachment here goes into the swinging arm pivot hole here. Now these are interchangeable for different bikes. You just undo that little grub screw there, and these come off, and you can put on different ones for different bikes. So you get the kit for your own bike. So this is obviously for the Ducati Multistrada. So what we do is just pop that in there, and then we go around and put this onto the other side. So this goes into there, nice and simple. And then this is where it's handy having long arms, because I can go around the other side and hold it on the other side, and that goes into there, into the swing arm pivot hole on that side. Then get that nice and secure in, tighten that, and you're in there. Then you just need to tighten this so it's nice and snug. Make sure that's good and snug so it's not going anywhere. This bit really freaked me out the first time I did it, but it really is, it's child's play. Okay, so just lift the bike up straight, hold the lever there, so you've got all the weight on the bottom bar, pull the lever out and lift it forward onto the stand. Easy as that. Nice, secure, solid. There you go. Taking it back off the stand is just the reverse. Pull the lever up, take the weight backwards, got the weight in the lever there. Okay, all the weight is on the bottom bar. Side stand down and let it reel over onto its side stand. There you go. Okay, so if you want to raise the front of the bike, we've got this attachment. So that slides into there. Then these two bars go through here. We'll see what this is for now in just a moment. But that stays out that way. In there. That lined up with the back bit here. Tighten these up. Make sure they're tight. So you would have a spindle attachment that goes on here, or if you've got a swing arm, you could use a swing arm bobbin. Now I haven't got one of those, so I can't actually do it, but I can show you how it does work. This goes in there, then that will go around your bit that comes out of the spindle, out of the axle, or onto the swing arm, wherever. And then you tighten it down on this. Then, as you would tighten down on this, that would pull the back wheel down, which in turn would lift the front wheel up. And that's pulled down and tightened there, and your front wheel is up in the air, so you can work on that part. I hope that was helpful. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. See ya, bye for now.